And this next guy, slightly larger. Coco weighs just 8.5 ounces.
Typical Barry.
Baldric here is just over 7 pounds. Now, many of you will probably recognise Baldric. He is a bald eagle. They're gold. We don't take any out of them. And the bald eagle.
That's a seagull.
Poor old Baldric, man up there.
Yeah, but I'm mobbing one angle.
The bald eagle is the national emblem of America. Now the bald eagle is a fish eagle, and that means his preferred diet is fish. He is rather partial to salmon. He will take quite happily carrion, but he will also take the odd seabird. You listening? Seabird. Help yourself.
Here, take one.
Now, because of their preferred diet, their natural habitat is along the sides of rivers and lakes, and these guys can be found throughout North America, down to Alaska, Canada. And although they are the national emblem of America, for many years, these guys were persecuted, and they were almost wiped out. Because when us humans decided to inhabit the Americas, the best place for us was down the sides of rivers and lakes. We needed the water supply, we needed that habitat and a potential food source. So we drove the bald eagle out. And then numbers dwindled rapidly. Then we started farming the land and we introduced pesticides. Pesticides soaked into the water source, and again we started poisoning our birds. And then fishermen got a little bit upset because the bald eagles weren't helping themselves to their fish stock, and then numbers continued to dwindle. And although these guys were made a national emblem in the late 1800s, it wasn't until 1980s that these guys were actually included on the endangered species list. They then realised pesticides were causing a lot of problems, and with a ban of pesticides such as DDT in early 81, the numbers have begun to grow. And we were very lucky that in late 2007 numbers had grown so substantially they have actually been removed from the endangered species list. Now Baldric here is 9 years old. He is fully grown and he is considered sexually mature. Although he still does have some of his juvenile feathering. And we know he's a fully mature bird because he has this lovely white head and tail. As a juvenile, he's brown, quite dull and boring. He also had quite a dark beak. Only as he got older, he's got this lovely yellow beak. Now Baldric is doing very well because this is quite a big prize. This is his first public display since last September. Now we are here throughout the afternoon, so if you have any questions about any of our birds or any of the courses and experience days that we offer here at the centre, then please feel free to come and see us after the display. Any of you would like to have your picture taken holding any of the birds you've seen on display today, then please do go see the guys in our little gift shop. And know that all the money we raise from the items in our little shop here up in the arena goes straight back to our birds and helping towards their food and ever-increasing vet bills. Now hopefully, weather permitting, we'll be back in the arena again at 3 o'clock. But in the meantime, thank you very much for coming out to see us today. And please do enjoy the rest of your day here at the park. Thank you.
And that's you.